channel. I'm just doing a quick little daily day vlog with me today. I'm not wearing makeup today because I'm gonna get my eyebrows done a little later. It's gonna be my first time going to the Benefit brow bar in Ulta. I heard really good things and I haven't got my eyebrows done since before quarantine, so yeah, I'm not okay. Things are not okay. They're literally like, there's like hair between here and here. It's all grown together into my hairline. It's a problem, but we're gonna solve it. I am going home this weekend, so that should be fun. Yeah, but I got a couple packages, so I thought I would open this up with an unboxing. Sorry, I feel like it's so bright. Like my room just got so effing bright. There we go. Sorry. So one I already opened, so I'll just show you this one. This one's from Erno Laszlo, New York. This is their Whiten and Brighten White Marble Dual Phase Vitamin C Peel. So looks like this. I'm super excited to try this. I'm not using actives right now on my skin, but I'm excited to use this once I am. So thank you, Erno Laszlo. And then I think, I'm not too sure what this one is, but this one just got dropped off this morning. Cool, this is from I Do Care. I haven't tried anything from I Do Care. But they have like a sister company, I think it's like Mimi Box, and I've tried like Noonie and things like that. So this is their I Do Care Yoga Kitten Balancing Mask. Let's see what this looks like. I feel like this is on my Pinterest board. Oh, how cute. So adorable. And they sent me the Yoga Kittening Heart Leaf Clay Mask. Is there a difference? Are these the same? Did they send me too? I feel like these are the same. Okay, yeah. Are these four of the same? I swear that, because they all are literally, oh my god, yeah, it's four of the same ones. Okay, well now we have a giveaway. Follow me on Instagram and repost and tag a picture. And that's really it. And I guess like DM me, I guess, like just, yeah, repost any picture, I don't care. And then just like DM me done or whatever, so I know that you like entered the giveaway and you don't just like think I'm super cute. But yeah, and then you can win one of these, because like there's no way I would ever, even if I loved it, 3 is just like, 4 really is so excessive. I would need to like be trying other masks. So if you guys want to be a part of this giveaway, you're more than welcome. So yeah, thank you, Mimi Box, and I'm so excited to do my first giveaway. Cool. I was wondering why that box was so heavy. These are heavy. Like this alone is effing heavy. This is like glass. Like it's a heavy. These are heavy. Cool. Yay. Sorry I opened one of them, but you know I didn't touch it. And yeah, so I have an interview. Fuck, what time is it? Yeah, I have an interview in 30 minutes, so I'm gonna go and do that. Just a quick phone interview, and then it should be time for me to go get my brows done. And yeah, I'll insert a clip of me trying to make like the foamy coffee. It didn't work. I have a hand mixer and everything and it didn't work. So that's the first disappointment of the day. But this is a really exciting, uplifting moment. So who the F cares? Because we're doing a giveaway. And yeah, now I have to smell it. I'm so obsessed. I love skincare so much. I'm like such a freak. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like the spa. Oh my god, I love anything that smells like spa. Alright, I'm gonna get to work, do a little work before my call, and then I will see you on the way to Benefit Brow Bar in Ulta. See what they can do for me. See if I can get a whole new face, basically. That's what I'm going for. Hi! Okay, let me take these out. So I just got to my appointment. I'm a little early, but I'm not as early as I wanted to be. I wanted to go to Chipotle, because I don't like Chipotle. But it's the only thing here that's like decent in this shopping center. I didn't bring the little thingy for that. It probably going. Oh my god. Okay, it's fine. I'll just never have that on me. It's fine. But yeah. So I'm excited. I'll give you guys a little bit of a well, let me get them somewhat presentable, but they are, oh my god, they're so, like, this isn't even doing it justice. Like, it's just like there's so much hair like above it, and like it's so bad, completely lost its shape. So I'm kind of excited to see what they can do for me. I'm also debating getting my nails done because I really just need to get my nails done so bad. I might do them, but I don't know if I have time today to do all that shit. And then tomorrow I get COVID tested before I go home. So yeah, I'll just tell you guys the plan real quick. So go finish everything I need to do today, and then tomorrow I have a COVID test, I think at like 9:15 in the morning. It's really quick. I get my results back that day, and then I'll leave at like probably like 1 or 2 to where my boyfriend is. He's on a business trip that's literally right on the way to my parents' house, so it couldn't be any more perfect. I'm gonna put some lip balm on. So, oh girl, to see me so crispy. But yeah, so I'll go and I'll spend the night with him, and then I'm gonna go, it's like an hour from where my parents are, and usually it's a 5-hour trip, so I'd only have to go like 3.5, 4 hours to see him, and then the last leg of my trip. So I'll get to my parents' house really early Saturday because he works Saturday morning anyways. I really only have like the night with him. I think it gets off at 6, so hopefully I'll be there right at like 6:30. Maybe pick him up from work even, and then you know, we'll go probably out to dinner or something, just something chill. There's nothing to do in the town that he's in, like, at all. It's like bumfuck Egypt. So just have fun. I haven't seen him in like a week and a half-ish. So yeah, and then get to my parents really early on Saturday and see my friend Kelsey, maybe see some other people if they're in town. I'm not too sure. Kelsey's the only person I've really talked to, because like you know, and really even then it's like it's all dependent on this test that I take Friday morning. So hopefully everything comes back good. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my brows done and hopefully get some Chipotle after. Okay, so I just left my brow appointment. Fucking hair in my mouth. I'm in love. They're actually exactly how I like my brows. She did a really good job, considering they're not filled in or anything. I feel like my face looks lifted and pretty, and I'm just happy that I look normal again, honestly. And they're not like overly arched. I hate that because I'm like, I don't have an arch. Stop trying to put an arch where there isn't one. Oh my god. But okay, I'm gonna go and get my Chipotle. I'm so excited. Yeah, real quick, run in, get Chipotle, eat, and then go pick up my charger from Zoe's house because I need my car charger. I hope my boyfriend's like, I want to see your eyebrows. He always asks me that. He, like, anytime I put on makeup, he's like, do you get your brows done? I think that's like the only thing he like knows about women, and I'm just like, I didn't, and I haven't, and I won't. But now I have. Yum, so I got a bowl. I'm gonna try their carne asada. I don't know why it's in my bed, but it is. I got hella guacamole, and then I got these the little bag of chips to go with it, and I think I'm gonna like crush them up. Like that. Kind of mix it in. But yeah, I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna eat real quick. Alright, so it is, what time is it? It's like 6. Yeah, it's about to be 6. I have a 6:30 meeting, so I'm so tired. I always get tired like right about 1 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and then like come like 8, I get my energy back. And then I'm up till like midnight, 1. So, yeah. It's been a good day. I went and took pics, and I think I really liked them, so that's always a major plus. I filmed my Freeman's Mask video, so that's done. I just need to edit it, and yeah, I wanted to show you something. This is so effing good. This is a popcorn that you get at Target. They have like, it's called a take-home bag. It's literally just like the full bag, like the full, like you would get like a circus. And it's so fucking good. I can't wait to have some. But yeah, I'm gonna have some of that, and then just drink some water, make a tea, and then get ready to hop on this call. Yeah. And then what's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Friday, so I need to just like plan out my entire day tomorrow, because I need to do my test and then travel, and I need to have my shit together, and I haven't packed. Obviously, I don't pack until, if I have time the day of, I'll do it the day of. So yeah, but this is just a short little vlog, just kind of whatever. Yeah, I've been liking kind of doing a video every day. This is day 3 of video every day. I'm not stopping. I'm gonna have video. I'm gonna try and do 5 videos this week and see how that goes. It's been a lot of work, but I've been liking it. You know, like sometimes when you just like get that momentum, it's just a really good feeling. So I kind of thrive off of that. But I do need to be getting better sleep, so I think I'll probably go and get that what's it shit called from Oli, I don't know what the brand is, but it's like those little sleepy gummies. I saw Auntie Twinkle talk about this, and she was like, actual insomnia. I don't have insomnia. I just like, since I stopped smoking weed, it's like harder for me to go to sleep at night. I just like, I'll be tired, but it's like hard for me to like sleep, and then waking up isn't, it's not hard, but it's not like as easy as it was. So just an adjustment. But yeah, I feel like I still get the same amount of shit done throughout the day. I'm just the kind of person that like, I'm so used to getting up so early. When I get up later in the day, I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Like, I can't handle it. But yep, and this lip color is Stella. It's a black owned lip color, Mel Trinity. I'll put the link in the bio if you're interested. It is a beautiful matte shade, like giving me all of the spooky vibes, making me feel like it's actually kind of fall, but it's so hot. It was like 90 degrees outside when I was shooting, so like it's probably why I'm so drained right now. Like honestly, like, it's so hot here forever. It's hot forever. Like, don't let anybody in Texas fool you into thinking that it's fall, or that like we have like blazer season or sweater weather. Oh my god. I can't. Every time I fucking even see the word sweater, I'm like, sweater weather. God damn it. Fuck, that shit killed me. That is one of the, I'm not even a big SNL person. I kind of like have a weird stigma against people who are like SNL people, who are like just like, did you see last week's SNL? Like, no bitch, I didn't see last week's SNL, and no, I don't want to fucking talk about it. Like, well, this is what happened. Like, oh my god. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Between talking about people's dreams and SNL skits, can't fucking do it. I really can't fucking do it. Like, this shit come on every Saturday, and you're so excited every fucking time. Child, please. I don't have fucking time. But I'm super happy with my eyebrows. I'm super happy with the content I made today. I have hella emails to send. I need to do that tonight. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. One last thing. I did want to just like be real quick about the fact that shit is not sweet out here, and that if you're on social media, you definitely need to be sharing things that are going on in the world. So the whole SARS movement, it's a big deal, and I think that we need to give it just as much attention as we do all of our other Black Lives Matter protests, the Armenian genocide, like everything. We have time for everything, you know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to shed some light about that. I have noticed that like I follow and I went to school with a lot of Nigerians, so and I'm friends with a lot of Nigerians, so I don't really know how much other people are sharing, but because my bubble is what it is and it's beautifully cultured and so on it, it does seem like their biggest complaint is that they aren't seeing the same amount of support, you know, globally. And I don't know what your feed looks like, but if you're not seeing enough of it, then, you know, be a part of that and, you know, make that difference, because there's no such thing as too much. There's no such thing as, you know, it's ruining my content. Like, just repost the story and educate, and, you know, putting that social pressure on people. As much as I hate performative shit, like, God, it's you know, you can feel it. Sometimes it does enact change, so just keep that in mind, and be cognizant of everything that goes on around you, as well as the genocide in Congo. If you don't know, look it up. Look up cobalt, look up everything. Like, literally, this has cobalt in it. What I'm filming on has cobalt in it. You're definitely viewing this on something with cobalt. So, and I think 80% comes from Congo, so the human rights violations out there are sickening. And yeah, I just think it's important to educate yourself and, you know, do what you can, because this world, we're here for a good time, and hopefully we can be here for a long time. And a lot of these things just bother me, just 100% bother me. So if you're bothered, share, and hopefully people with power will listen, and you're a person with power as well. All right, bye.